Hello, ma'am. We are Adhiraj's parents. And to start with, I would like to tell um, earlier Adhiraj जो है वो एक नॉर्मल स्कूल में ही जाता था GVN एंड वी डिडंट रियलाइज कि वहाँ पे इसका कुछ भी ग्रोथ कुछ अंडरस्टैंडिंग पढ़ाई को लेके और अदरवाइज भी किसी प्रकार की कोई ग्रोथ नहीं थी and we were very worried about it. And the special education schools which we went dealt students in the same manner. जितने भी बच्चे थे सबको एक ही तरीके का देते थे, मतलब ट्रीटमेंट, चाहे वो बच्चा थोड़ा सा इम्प्रूव्ड अपॉन हो या नहीं हो, सबको एक ही जैसा। बच्चा सीवियर कैटेगरी का है या मीडियोकर है या माइल्ड है, कुछ डिफरेंस नहीं था। देन वी हैपन टू फाइंड दिस स्कूल श्रीधा, and two things which are very special in Shridha is the student is dealt according to his needs, which is very important and which was required for Adhiraj. उसको चाहिए था कि उसको उसकी जो प्रॉब्लम एरियाज थे सिर्फ उनको फिगर आउट करके उसका ग्रोथ एस्पेक्ट देखा जाए, एंड द होल team is actually working on the well-being of the child. And Shridha has
Got him.
given wings to my son. And
Yeah,
I
he's very
haven't.
confident and he has got that zeal. He's very confident and he has got that zeal to he has got that zeal to express himself in right way. He speaks in breaking the words और धीरे धीरे आराम से पॉज लेके बात करता है एंड लोगों को समझ में आता है. Now he is more interactive with the world, with the outside world.
Now he's able to explain himself, his emotional aspects, his everything. Earlier he wasn't able to express his needs, his emotions, anything. He was not able to do it. But then now he's well equipped in expressing. So this is all thanks to Sridhar.
Yeah, a lot of improvement. His body balancing has improved. His hunchback issues is somehow been resolved. I mean, still there is a
There
scope
is a
hai.
scope for
There is scope for
improvement, but
improvement.
then he has come a long way.
Yeah.
And about the teachers here in Shrida, I mean, um, they like words are. I'm short of words actually. Ashish sir has made my child play games which are rule based.
Yeah,
He was not able to understand the rules even.
you
Now
made
he
that
can
the
play the rule
successful
based
upon
game.
explaining the rules and making him play, understanding what is winning.
So in sports, it is all thanks to Ashish sir and Sarika ma'am. She has worked a lot on his emotional quotient and his shortcomings. What are his apprehensions? Everything, and overcoming all in a smooth way and making him a very confident person. Garvisha ma'am is all about giving love and care to the students here and thinking about the students and only students. So, and the team here is always on the same page, all the ma'am, whether they're teaching or not, but they are always on the same page about the child. So, still a lot many things to improve upon, but then he has come a very long way. Improve upon his behavior aspect, improve upon his body posture, on his game, and on his studies. But then from where we started, it is about like we have crossed like 50-60% of the path.
Yeah, and along with Adhiraj, Shrita has also grown up. It's a big team now, and I mean, I can see you've got physiotherapists, you've got trained professionals uh, outlook over the child development overall. Like NIOS ma'am is there,
As per
like
Adhiraj.
kitchen stuff which he's learning, which I have never learned in my life. So that's a missing skill which my son is learning. Thank you so much, Sridhar.